Hi friends, for your Word Work Center today, you're going to do an activity on the computer. So we're going to click to the next slide to get started. It says, change the sound, click the picture. Now for this one, we do need to be in present mode. So you're going to click present. And then let's click to the next slide. It says directions. Click on the new word that was created. If you are correct, you will see green. If you need to try again, you will see red. Okay, so we have the word fix, and we want to change the Okay, so let's swap that sound. Ready? Fix. We want to change the to X, mix. I'm going to click on the mix. Now let's see what happens if I clicked on Fox. Oh, it went to a new one. Let's do another one. Ready? I have cat. Change the to b. Oh my goodness. So we're changing the ending. So at. I'm going to change the to b. So let's switch that sound. Okay, friends. So we have at. We're going to change the to b. So now we have ab, cab. So if I click on the picture of the cat, that is not correct. But if I click on the picture of the cab, I will see the green check mark. Okay, friends. So remember, you're changing the sound that they ask you to. So you'll see it here. We're changing the sound to this one and then picking the correct picture. We'll see you at writing time.